Guys, so I just wanted to say that I got a new camcorder. It looks a little something like this. So yeah, I'm still getting kind of used to using this, so I can't be moving it a lot because then it makes these sounds and stuff. But yeah, so you can do that, and then this thingy goes in, so it's not always in the way, but like that I can see if I'm in view when using this. So I just wanted to say that now that I have this, I will be able to make a lot more videos, portable videos, with friends and family and adventures and stuff like that. So I just wanted to say that you guys will be seeing a lot more of me. Yay! And yep, so I hope you guys are having a great day and a wonderful time today. I don't really know, but yeah, just keeping it short and simple. It's already a minute and like 20 seconds. That you guys will be seeing me a lot more, so I will see you guys later. Bye. Amongst the lost and found, anybody found a different way. Stole a gun one day, tried to use a plane, pistol and